Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things security. I'm your host, Jane Doe. In today's video, we'll discuss some tips on how to educate your family members about cybersecurity and keeping them safe online. This is part 2 from our social media collection. So let's get started. Part 1. Understanding cybersecurity. Cybersecurity involves protecting your personal information and devices from online threats. Common threats include phishing scams, malware, and hacking. Part 2. Tips for educating family members. Use the internet to find cybersecurity resources such as my website at https://silentsecurity.net. There are also many online cybersecurity courses and ebooks. Teach family members to keep their data to themselves. This includes not sharing passwords and personal information. Also be wary of hyperlinks. Avoid clicking on hyperlinks in emails and hover over links to verify authenticity. Always ensure that URLs begin with HTTPS. The S indicates encryption is enabled to protect users' information. Introduce your family members to a password manager and help them create their vault. Monitor engagement on social platforms. Establish household best practices for online security. Part 3. Staying safe online. Encourage family members to use strong, unique passwords for each of their online accounts. Teach them how to spot and avoid common phishing attempts via chat, emails, or direct messages. Keep software and devices up to date with the latest security updates. By educating your family members about cybersecurity, you can help them stay safe online. Remember to always be cautious when sharing personal information and to keep an eye out for potential threats. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more security tips and tricks.